Turn around, fuck it all the way up. Dust it down, turn around, fuck it all the way up. Bust it down, turn around, look. Let's get it straight, girl, you don't need a nigga for nothing. Looking better every day, you got that Benjamin Button. Claiming he don't got a girl, you know niggas be frontin'. You don't need no bitch coming up to you as a
welcome back to my channel. We're gonna get this quick because I have to go. I will be installing this frontal wig, this frontal 36-inch lock wig that I made. You guys already seen it on my channel. If you haven't, I'll link it below. Make sure you go check it out, okay? But this is gonna be really fast because I got to go. I have to go. So I'm gonna put some makeup on this, so I can put it on my cap. I'm not gonna put it on the hair. I'm gonna just put it on my cap. Some more, because I already have some on there. I'm not doing the ball cap method because I will not be having this hair on long where I can't wear this hair to work. So the ball cap method is a no. I'll just have it on for the weekend. So that's why we're not doing the ball cap method. And I just don't feel like putting it on the inside. So Yeah. Yeah. So I tried something new with the baby hairs. I keep on seeing people do like where they have all the little baby hairs around. Y'all see that? So I'm gonna go ahead. Because I want them to sit down. I don't want them to be sticking up, but I don't want them stuck either. So I'm just gonna put a little bit down. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I am starting to sell these wigs. This wig will be $4.50, and I got this 18-inch that comes like probably like right here. That one will be $2.50. So yeah, I'll link my website below. Yeah, let me hurry up because we gotta go. We gotta get out and get to our activities. So yeah, I don't know where this hair come from. What is gonna bother me? Where's my tweezers? I can never find nothing that I need, bro. There they go. And y'all, again, I'm not sick. It's just my allergies are really acting up. Let's see how this looks. I think I kind of like them all sitting down, so I think I'm gonna just leave them all down. You ready, Fats? Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna just leave them alone.
Well, Mommy.
Are you ready?
I'm gonna eat my food when I get back.
No, finish eating. Hurry, finish eating. Go. Hurry up. But okay, yeah, this is the finished look, and it's not heavy at all. Like, it's not heavy. It's like a medium. It's not like where I feel like my head is way on one side. But yeah, I'm gonna stand up so that way you can see how long they are. So yeah, these are pretty long. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Cause period, okay? And let me move up so y'all can see. Yeah, pretty much it. And yeah, till next time, bye.
Turn around, fuck it all the way up. Dust it down, turn around, fuck it all the way up. Bust it down, turn around.